Right, I thought I'd do a quick video. I sort of suggested in the last one I had some chrome parts into strip. I just thought I'd show you on the process that I go through just for stripping the parts. So basically, I cut the parts off the sprue, um, so they're ready to basically go into all the parts that I want to basically obviously strip. You cut them off the sprue. If they're on tiny parts, you can leave them on the sprue. Um, I suppose that the stuff you have in mind is just obviously the less of the chrome plastic you can put in there, obviously it tends to strip quicker. Um, and then the glass, all it's got is a really strong concentration of bleach. There's a little drop of water just to thin it out a little bit, but it's a high concentration of bleach really, and that's about it. And all you do is just drop them in. Just be careful with bleach though. Obviously it'll bleach anything that it touches. Pardon the pun. But so basically just throw them in. You might have to get them to settle a little bit. Some of them will float, but sometimes you have to weigh them down a little bit. Put something in there just to keep them into the bleach. I'll have to put maybe something in with them wheels. But apart from that, you just leave them in, and I'll show you in the next one what they look like when they come out. Right, we're about half an hour away in through since I put them in, and as you can see, the chroming started to come off. It actually shows you on different types of chroming. Some of it strips quicker than others. So this is what I say. You know, you're not going to work the plastic by leaving it in. So basically, just leave it in until it's all disappeared. So I've had to put a little bit of weight on just to weight down the wheels. It was obviously floating out the chrome, but so probably another half an hour, and they should all be stripped. Right, it's been a couple of hours, and as you can see, they've completely stripped. So that's about it, really. So all I'll do now is basically take them out and just wash them in some water, rinse them down, and then they'll be ready to primer and paint. I'll catch you in the next video.